if you want to have the ability to check your emails from another email address in Gmail, I'm going to show you how to easily do that. So once you're inside your Gmail account, guys, all you have to do is click the settings on the upper right hand side, click on see all settings. Now from here, click on account and import. You have the section that says check email from another account. All you have to do is add an email address here. So you want to enter that email address, then go ahead and continue the process. It's going to verify. And once it is completed, you'll be able to do that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to go ahead and enter an email address here. So all you have to do, just simply go ahead and enter the email address that you want to. Go ahead and click on next. Here you can go ahead and you can choose if you want to link account with Gmailify, or you can do a POP3 account. You can choose whichever option you want, right? Go ahead and click on next. For example, the first one, enter the password, continue the process, guys. And once you continue the process, then it will basically link that email here for you, and the email address will now show up here. So what's going to happen from here is that whenever you try now to actually receive emails to this account, you will also receive email in that account as well. And that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.